Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. Success is not really about effort alone. It's more about having the right systems in place. Some of the most brilliant minds in history, like Galileo Galilei and Isaac Newton, didn't just depend on raw intelligence or motivation. Instead, they built structured ways of thinking and working that helped them produce consistent results faster than others around them. In today's video, I'm going to break down 5 AI-powered systems you can use to reach your goals without depending on motivation. These methods aren't new ideas. They're based on principles that have worked for centuries. The difference is that now you can supercharge them using AI and execute them much more efficiently. Let's start with the first one, the learning system. Back in the late 19th century, a psychologist named Hermann Ebbinghaus made a fascinating discovery about how memory actually works. He experimented on himself by trying to memorize random word patterns over time, and then testing how much he could still remember after different intervals. What he found is now known as the forgetting curve. His research showed that the human brain loses a large portion of newly learned information very quickly, often within just a few days, unless it is reviewed or reinforced. This helps explain why so many people forget what they studied just a short time ago. For example, you might watch an educational video or attend a lecture, feel like you understand it at the moment, but then struggle to recall most of it a week later. That's why many historical thinkers, such as Charles Darwin and Benjamin Franklin, developed a habit of recording their thoughts, observations, and ideas in journals. They weren't doing it because they lacked intelligence. They were simply working with how memory naturally functions. The key idea is simple. Your brain is not designed to store everything permanently. Without reinforcement, most information fades quickly. Today, this becomes even more relevant because we consume massive amounts of information daily, videos, articles, podcasts, and courses, but retain very little of it. However, with modern AI tools, you can build a kind of digital memory system. Instead of letting valuable insights disappear, you can organize, store, and revisit everything you learn in one place. This turns scattered information into a structured knowledge base that you can actually use whenever you need it. One of the most powerful tools you can use to build this kind of learning system is called NotebookLM. Here's how you can actually set it up in a practical way. Start with step 1, create your knowledge hub. Open a new project inside NotebookLM and begin collecting everything you learn from different sources. This could include YouTube lectures, podcast episodes, research papers, articles, PDFs, or even your own notes from meetings or study sessions. Over time, this becomes your personal knowledge base, a kind of second brain that stores everything important in one place. Step 2 is where most people change how they learn. Instead of just consuming information passively, you start interacting with it. Don't just read or watch and move on. Ask the system targeted questions based on what you added. For example, if you've gone through several videos about digital marketing, you can ask something like, "What are the most practical strategies repeated across all my sources this week?" The AI then scans your uploaded material and gives you a focused, consolidated answer in seconds. Step 3 is about reinforcement through audio. NotebookLM can transform your saved content into an AI-generated audio summary, almost like a personalized podcast. This means you can review everything you've learned while walking, traveling, or exercising without needing to sit and study again. It turns downtime into learning time. Step 4 is the weekly consolidation habit. At the end of each week, you can prompt NotebookLM to summarize the most important insights from everything you've added. This creates a structured review cycle, helping your brain reinforce key ideas instead of letting them fade away. When you combine these steps, you're no longer relying on memory alone. You're building a system that stores, organizes, and replays knowledge whenever you need it. That's what makes learning far more efficient and long-lasting. This brings us to the second system, the template system. Almost everyone has experienced this situation. You need to write something important, like an email, a report, or a proposal, but you sit in front of a blank screen and get stuck for a long time. Some people spend 30 to 60 minutes just trying to start. But high-level performers don't work like that. They use structured templates that do most of the heavy lifting for them. Even before AI, this approach was everywhere. Business executives often relied on assistants who already had pre-written formats for communication. Legal professionals use standardized document structures. Even scriptwriters in film industries follow proven story frameworks, so they're never starting from zero. The idea is simple. Instead of creating everything from scratch, you begin with a proven structure that already contains the core 70 to 80% of the work. Then you only adjust details, tone, and context based on your needs. Now, with AI, this system becomes available to anyone. You can generate emails, reports, presentations, or proposals in seconds, already structured and nearly complete. Then just refine them to match your voice and intent. To start, you first train the AI on your writing style. Open tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, and input a few examples of your past writing, such as messages or emails you've already sent. This helps the AI understand how you naturally write, including tone, sentence flow, and expression style. This step is important because without it, AI-generated text often feels generic or unnatural. But once it learns your style, it can produce content that closely matches your voice. After that, the key is how you communicate your request. Most people fail here because they only say something vague, like write an email. Instead, you need to give context, who the message is for, what the purpose is, and what outcome you want. The more detail you provide, the more accurate and usable the output becomes, which means less editing afterward. A powerful approach is to ask for multiple versions of the same output. For example, request 3 different email drafts. Then you can combine the strongest parts from each one into a final polished version. Even with all these systems working together, there is still one final layer that connects everything, capturing your raw ideas before they disappear. This brings us to the third system, Instant Idea Logging System. An Instant Idea Logging System is a simple method for capturing thoughts, ideas, or insights the moment they appear, without editing, judging, or delaying them. The main goal is to stop ideas from getting lost and store them quickly so you can refine them later. It works like a mental inbox where everything goes first before being organized. How it works? 1. Capture immediately. Whenever an idea appears, you record it instantly, no matter how incomplete or messy it is. You can use Notes app, phone or laptop, voice recorder, notebook, AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion, etc. The key rule: don't think too much, just write. 2. Add a simple tag so you can find it later. For example, video idea, business, study, random thought. At a fixed time, daily or weekly, you go through your ideas and expand good ones, delete useless ones, and turn strong ideas into action. Imagine you're scrolling YouTube and suddenly think, people struggle with productivity because they don't capture ideas properly. Instead of forgetting it, you instantly log it like this. Idea: people lose productivity because they don't capture thoughts quickly. Tag: productivity, content idea. Potential use: YouTube video. Why you can't stay productive and how to fix it. You're studying and think, AI can be used to turn notes into quizzes automatically. You log it. Simple summary. An instant idea logging system is basically capture first, think later. You can use AI, like ChatGPT, to instantly process your ideas. Here is a raw idea. People lose productivity because they don't capture thoughts quickly. Reformat it into 1. Clear idea statement. 2. Possible use case. 3. Category tag. 4. Improved version. Take this idea. People lose productivity because they don't capture thoughts quickly. Turn it into a mini project plan with objective, steps to build, tools needed, potential challenges. Analyze this idea. People lose productivity because they don't capture thoughts quickly. Then, improve clarity, suggest 3 better versions, tell if it's practical or not, give monetization potential. Convert this idea into YouTube video title, short script, 30 to 60 seconds, hook line, thumbnail text. Idea. People lose productivity because they don't capture thoughts quickly. Convert this idea into a structured note format for a digital idea vault. Idea. People lose productivity because they don't capture thoughts quickly. Include title, summary, tags, action steps, priority level. Instead of forgetting 90% of your ideas, you capture 100%, refine later, turn ideas into real output. This brings us to the fourth system, concept selection workflow. A concept selection workflow is a structured process used to evaluate multiple ideas and choose the most valuable, practical, or impactful one to move forward with. Instead of working on every idea, you filter them based on clear criteria like usefulness, effort, originality, and potential results. How the workflow works. 1. Collect multiple ideas. First, you gather all possible ideas without judging them. Example, YouTube content ideas. How to study faster using AI. Morning routine for students. Top 10 free AI tools. Why most students fail exams. At this point, everything is accepted. 2. Define selection criteria. Now you decide what makes an idea good. Common criteria include impact, will people find it useful? Effort, is it easy to create? Uniqueness, is it different from others? Demand, do people search for it? 3. Score or compare ideas. Each idea is checked against the criteria. 4. Select the best concept. You choose the strongest idea based on overall score. In this case, AI study hacks becomes the winning concept because it has high impact and uniqueness. 5. Refine the selected idea. After selection, you improve it. Original idea? How to study faster using AI. Refined version? How I use AI to study 3 times faster. Step-by-step system. Now it becomes more powerful and clickable. Imagine you are launching a small online store and have ideas like custom phone cases, digital planners, AI-generated art prints, and t-shirts with quotes. Using the workflow, AI art prints equals high uniqueness plus low production cost. Selected. T-shirts, high competition, rejected. So you focus only on AI-generated art prints instead of wasting time on everything. Why this workflow matters. Prevents wasting time on weak ideas. Helps focus on high-value opportunities. Improves decision-making clarity. Turns random thinking into structured planning. Simple summary. A concept selection workflow is basically gather many ideas, filter them logically, and choose only the strongest one to execute. I have the following ideas. 1. AI prompt library. 2. Study notes summarizer. 3. Thumbnail generator tool. 4. AI journaling app. Evaluate each idea based on demand, 1 to 10, difficulty, 1 to 10, monetization potential, 1 to 10, speed to execute, 1 to 10. Then rank them and explain your reasoning. 1. AI prompt library. 2. Study notes summarizer. Which one is better for a solo creator and why? Consider competition, ease of starting, growth potential. Analyze this idea critically. AI prompt library platform. Tell me, why this idea might fail? Biggest risks? What would make it succeed? Turn this idea into a 7-day execution plan. Idea, AI prompt library. Include daily tasks, tools needed, expected outcome. A strategic decision framework for research is a structured method to choose the right research direction, topic, and approach based on long-term value, feasibility, and impact, rather than random interest or convenience. In simple terms, it helps you decide what to research, how to research it, and why it matters. Why it's important in research. Many students and researchers struggle because they pick topics that are too broad or unclear, choose ideas with little impact, waste time on difficult or low-value directions. This framework prevents that by making your decisions focused and strategic. 1. Define your research goal. Start with clarity. What do you want to achieve? Examples: publish a research paper, complete a university thesis, solve a real-world problem, build expertise in a specific field. 2. Generate multiple research ideas. Don't stick to one idea. List several possibilities. Example: AI plus education, AI for automated note-taking, AI-based quiz generation, AI for detecting plagiarism, AI tools for personalized learning. 3. Set evaluation criteria. Now decide how you will judge each idea. Common criteria: relevance, does it solve a real problem? Feasibility, can you complete it with available time or resources? Originality, is it new or different? Impact, will it be useful for others? Data availability, can you get enough data? 4. Evaluate and compare ideas. Idea, relevance, feasibility, originality, impact, score. 5. Select the best research direction. Choose the idea with the strongest overall balance. Select a topic: AI-based quiz generation system for students. Why? High relevance, students need it, easy to build, feasible, good impact, improves learning. 6. Refine the research problem. Turn a broad idea into a focused research question. Before, AI quiz generator. After, how can AI automatically convert lecture notes into effective quizzes to improve student retention? Now your research becomes clear and structured. 7. Decide research method. Choose how you will conduct the research: survey, experiment, case study, system development. Example: build a prototype AI tool and test it with students. 8. Execute and review. Start working, collect results, and refine your approach based on findings. Notion. Best for organizing ideas, scoring, and tracking decisions. You can create tables, scoring systems, and workflows. ChatGPT. Best for generating research ideas, refining topics, and evaluation. Helps you think faster and deeper. Google Sheets. Best for scoring and comparing ideas numerically. Simple and powerful for decision matrices. Zotero. Best for managing research papers and sources. Helps in literature review stage. Miro. Best for brainstorming and visual thinking. Great for mapping ideas and frameworks. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.